All right, look at this tire, guys. This is rim, wheel. I rode this thing on like 3 times. I got flats in Windrock, and I mean I had to ride some miles all 3 times, and look how tough that rim was. But even then I was riding kind of fast. I wasn't. I was making sure it wasn't dinging, you know. And as you can see, that rim is pretty good. Pretty good. But yeah, before I put this bib on, I'm going to clean up this rim. I saw in the video they cleaned the rim up dry, put a bunch of tape in here because you want to keep it sealed. You want to keep the lube in there, and then you're going to seal this up. You're going to seal the valve stem hole up. You can either just tape it up, but I saw piece of inner tube, cut it off, stuck it in there, and then a bunch of liquid leaking out of y'all, Mr. Bib. But yeah, stay tuned, see how it looks. I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna do some taping here. Got the rim cleaned up, you know, taped up, ready to go. All right, the bib, the wheel. Make it happen, Captain. Got the lube. Got 2 bottles, but I'm gonna use the bottle that I already got. It came with it. Okay. Natural cooling lube. Gotta lube the inside of the tire. Get it all. Get this. They say you just have the bottle. Empty full tube into the tire and spread it around. Okay. Whole tube. I put a little extra in there since I got 2 bottles. Internet told me to get this stuff right here is slide glide, seal glide. So let's get to it. I like 12 psi. Oh yeah, 10 to yes, I got the 10 to 12 psi. You get the soft plushy, 6 to 8 psi. I bet that would work nice, but I didn't want the super soft plushy. Oh, that's what this is. It's supposed to be the. So let's move this bad boy up. I got nothing with some. Ooh, nice and lubey. Whoa. Pretty good. Yeah, I'm tired of getting flats. I'm tired of having to ride. Waste my day, not waste my day, but have to ride back on a flat tire and baby it when I could be basted. So hopefully this is a better alternative for me. We shall see, gentlemen, and a few ladies. Boy, I never knew these were on the market. I was just Googling. And I saw it and I was like, what? And then I started doing my research on it and reading about it, and I see that a lot of pros use these. See, they don't really want to lube them up too much because it makes it messy getting them in. So all they do is just stomp them down in there. So we'll see how well that works. See how well that works. Going in fairly easy. Fits like a glove. I'm gonna lube it up just a little bit more, just for my own lubing pleasures. On the side, you want to get it. See if you got your rim sealed pretty good. You shouldn't have any problems. This thing should. These things get hot, all the bending and the friction. So, yeah. So if you have any holes in them, put lube inside them, but there's no holes in there. Brand new. Shouldn't be no damn holes in there. And I watched some tricks on tire changing. Man, these I don't know. I don't care about the brand, but Rabacondas. Man, these curved ones, man, really make tire changing a lot easier. I mean, don't get me wrong, my big guy does the job, and the little small ones I got up there like this, but the small ones do the job. But man, these curved ones, they put it right on the rim so you don't scratch your rims easy. And yeah, I must say, Rabaconda makes it good. I was gonna buy that little dirt bike tire changer because my big tire changer is nice and all. Don't get me wrong. What I do the damn lid with this thing? Just had it. Damn it. But yeah, I don't really want another tire changer right here sitting around. But that's the first time I ever really two times now I did change the tires. I haven't had to put it on the tire changer, dirt bike tires. But I don't take in a lot of dirt bike tires because I'm scared to pop people's inner tubes. If I pop my own, it's different. It's my own doing. When I pop somebody else's inner tube and I gotta go buy them one, that's why I stay clear if you're doing dirt bike tire changes. Let's see how easy or hard this is to do. Never tried this before. Directional, let's see. I don't know if this thing is directional or not. Yep, it is directional. So, alright. So obviously we put it on the I am not a good guy. I'm not good at doing dirt bike tires, period. So this is about lube and cool. Definitely not the dirt bike tire guy. Dirt bike tires, they knock them out pretty fast. Dirt bike should get hard. Usually, and I have it in the tire machine. It's my first time not using the tire machine. Second time. Put yours back in there. Some there too. finessing. And I got one side in. That's good for me. I don't, you know how hard it is for me to do dirt bike tires. Alright, hard part. Just let it lock in there. That was big, buddy. I forget how to use it. To hold the beat down or something. Okay, that's how it works, eh? Alright, let's see if it works good though. Let's see. Like I said, guys, I am not a dirt bike tire changer. I've done quite a few, but not a lot. I have not done more than I'd say 10, 15. Yeah, beat thing, yeah, keeps the beat from moving. So let's see if these bad boys back in. Blue one this time. Blue is your friend. Alright. Beat. I'll tell you, man, I do like these kind of tire changer things. Spoons definitely help. All right, part 2. Lots of motorsports. Lots of motorsports. Knoxville Motorsports. All right, have a good day. Yeah, I'm not the one for tire changing. Saw another video of guys saying you had to push this in. Guess I should turn the yaw side. I'm just trying to get the bit in there. So it's sitting nice in the flesh. So far, so good. Not really a hard job. For a guy who definitely doesn't change a lot of dirt bike tires. Tire on. So good. I think even if this was an inner tube, I would got it in the feed, I don't know. Well, that wasn't that bad, guys. I mean, if that would have been an inner tube, it would have been a lot easier. But as far as that's the first time I ever did a bib. We'll see how it goes. I still lost some lube, man. I'll probably try to lube it up some more again, but that's still. But I'm sure I put a lot in there, so it should be okay. Not a lot of lube I lost, but definitely see a good taste of it around there. Feels like 12 to 14 psi to me. Man.